Hello guys, in this video I would like to speak with you about positions that I took this week. So firstly I would like to say that I skipped last 2 days because I took a lot of positions and I just wanted to relax. So let's start from S&P. Here I had less positions. So let's start from Monday. How I looked on the chart. We took off right here liquidity pool from 1 day time frame. Here we had our work with fair value gap, and here was my target of that move. Also we can see that we touched our gap right here and began our long tendency. And I was searching for long positions for that target. So let's take a look at the lower time frame. My first position that I got. So right here was my first position. I took that because I had order flow in long in London session, and my target was near to me, and I thought that this is going to be a good idea to take a trade right here. So here I had stop loss. Let's take a look. So we created our equal highs with that liquidity pool and got our reaction right here. So okay, it's just part of our work, nothing bad happens, stop loss is stop loss. And I knew that we will take off that liquidity pool in this day, so finally I got my take profit right here. So let's check. Here was second stop loss. So here is 5-minute fair value gap, and this is 5-minute point of interest, and right here we touched that. With that candle I saw the reaction, and I entered right here. I was happy to see that good move, and let's take a look at the end of the trade. Here when I saw that I wanted to close my trade, but no reasons for that. So my first trouble area is going to be right here. It is not reached, so I can't close my position because of just a formation. And let's take a look at the result. And I got my stop loss. Okay, second stop loss for the day, nothing bad happens. In this video you will see how you can during the week change your statistic. So right now we have 2 stop losses. This is just a Monday, so we will see what will happen next 2 days. And also right here, let's see, I got position on 1-minute time frame. So we got tested our gap another one time. After that we are creating our order flow on 1-minute time frame. Right here I got my break of structure and market entry, take profit to the London high, because I got 2 stop losses and I didn't want to hold my position to that target, but it was reached as I told before. So let's move to the next position. This is first day, and also you can see that I got 2 stop losses and it is 2%, and that trade is 2 risk reward, and I got risk reward 2 So that day for me is in break even right now. So 2 stop losses in your first day doesn't matter anything. So let's move to the next positions. Okay, so let's take a look at Nasdaq right now, because on S&P my positions are over for that week. And let's take a look at Nasdaq. As you can see already, I had a lot of positions, and every position I posted in Telegram channel, so you can see the proofs and screens from MetaTrader that I really took them. And on some positions I also gave an analytics, and so you can check. Maybe you will find something new for you, and maybe you will like something, and I hope that it will help you to become a trader. Okay, so right now let's start from position on Nasdaq. First position right here. So in that day I was searching only for long positions to that target right here. So let's move on the lower time frame. What we can see right here, we can see long tendency, of course, but also we had right here gap that I didn't like, but my tendency is strong long, and here I had POI. So right here I have long tendency, and all what I wanted just to create a full fill of that fair value gap to enter the trade. If you will ask me why I wasn't scared about that resweep, because that is London session, and as we know, New York session usually takes off liquidity of previous session. In that situation, we created here huge liquidity pool rate. We got a strong reaction. Here we got another rate with an aggressive move. So I wasn't scared, and also I was ready to re-enter the trade. And now let's take a look. I got my full fill, reaction, fast trade, nothing special. Everything is pretty simple, I think, and you can trade the same. And if you will ask me why I didn't close right here, because target for that trade was right here, if I remember correctly, and here I had enough risk reward, and I fixed because I wanted to relax a little bit, and later I got position to that target too. So let's move to that position. Now we have our gap filled, as I told you before that I want to fill that gap, and in Telegram channel I posted a message that I want to fill that gap and find position after that, and I think that it was taken in lower time frame. Let's take a look. Okay, yes, so about the entry, why I didn't open it like that from the boss with stop loss right here. I wanted to see aggressive move right here. I got that, so we created our fair value gap, and after that I entered the trade. I put my stop loss right here because it created for me availability to get a higher risk reward. So 5 risk reward is really good, and if I put my stop loss right here, it is only 3, and with stop loss right here, if price comes to that zone, it will resweep that zone too, and so there is no logic for me to put my stop loss there and have less risk reward. So let's check that trade. That was really a long trade, but in that trade we had some confirmations. Here fair value gap, this is 5 minutes fair value gap, and reaction. So beautiful trade for me with my trading strategy, and that target got done, so nothing to say more. Let's move to the next day. Okay, so next day, what we can see right here, we fulfilled our fair value gap right here, got after that reaction in long direction, and that was my target, first target that I wanted to hit on that day. And all what I needed is just to find the order flow on lower time frame. And let's see, lower time frame, how I got my entry. Okay, so it is 1 minute time frame, yes. We're taking off big liquidity pool from 1 hour, maybe we touched fair value gap. Yes, right here. This fair value gap was tested. It was tested and we got our big reaction. And I entered the trade from the beginning of fair value gap. And let's take a look for the result of the trade. Had some confirmation during the trade too. And finally take profit. 7.4 risk reward, really good. And my target was right here. So my target was right here, but I forgot to put my take profit, and I closed the trade right here. You can check that in Telegram channel. You can check that in Telegram channel that I closed right here. I posted that with the screenshot of MetaTrader, so you can see the proofs if you need. And second position in that day, I think that was the same logic. Okay, so that was silver bullet timing. We created our fair value gap right here. We created a fair value gap, entered the trade. Okay, so that was my target in that trade. Fast trade again, and nothing hard for me, just a simple logic, simple instruments. In every trade you can see the same instruments. So let's move to the next trade. Okay, that trade was taken from fair value gap in 5 minute time frame from the beginning of that, after I got my reaction on that candle, and I fixed because I wanted to take a chill. Right here I fixed. Here was 2.3 risk reward. This is enough for me in that day. And as you can remember, previous day we got 2 stop losses. So you must understand that 2 stop losses is not over of your trading career. So let's move to the next day. Okay, so in that day I posted that in Telegram channel that I want to see test of that fair value gap, and after that I would like to take a look for long positions, and I got that right here. don't remember on which time frame. Yes, 3-minute time frame. From that fair value gap I got my position. So I didn't take a look on boss, break of structure. I'm looking for reaction of liquidity pools, fair value gaps. If I have a great reaction with fair value gaps, like in that situation, we got our fair value gap tested, and after that we created a strong move. And this fair value gap shows me aggression of price. So I entered the trade. And here I got another trade from 15-minute time frame. I just got my C boss right here and entered with the market, and at the same place we can see model on 3-minute time frame. Here we have liquidity sweep and break of structure, and so 15-minute time frame synchronized with 3-minute time frame, and your position is done. First take profit done. That position was partly fixed right here. Here I thought that it is break even, because after hitting that target I put my break even on that big trade right here, but luckily it wasn't hidden and I got my take profit. So this is my trading week. I traded only 3 days, and in first trading day I got 2 stop losses, and now you can see results of that week. I think that is pretty beautiful. So in this video I showed you my position, and I think that this is all what I wanted to say. And write comments below, ask us any questions. We will create videos for you where we are explaining that question that you are asking. And don't forget to follow our social media, and you can direct us everywhere. Any questions, we will answer you, we will try to help you, and we will record videos. If you will ask us, for example, you can write record video about how you use fair value gaps, and we will do that. So just write the comment what you need to record, and we will record that during the same week. So thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.